Hi, I'm Martina. In previous videos I've looked at HS2 around Birmingham. In this one I'll look at the northernmost section of Phase 1, heading north from Birmingham to join the existing rail network at Handsacre. I'll start near the M42 crossing and head north. Here HS2 passes by the Aston Villa FC training grounds at Bodymoor Heath. Not much construction has happened yet here. A little further north earthworks have begun. Here HS2 will sink below ground level to cross the A453 between Sutton Coldfield and Tamworth. You can see the temporary road along the route to transport earth from the cuttings to where it will be needed for embankments elsewhere. HS2 curves to the right and then crosses the A5 here between Fazeley and Weeford. Plans show HS2 being below ground level here. This section of the A5 was built as a bypass in 2012. You can see the old A5 Watling Street alongside. Further north, HS2 crosses the A51 and Whittington golf course here, near Whittington Barracks, which the golf course belonged to until 1992. The former clubhouse has been demolished to make way. Then HS2 crosses under, but does not join, the existing West Coast main line here at Huddlesford. This is a part of the rail network HS2 is intended to bypass, and is itself a bypass of the Birmingham area, the Trent Valley Line, opened in 1847. This is a very busy railway, so disruption needs to be minimised. That's why a construction technique called box jacking is being used. The concrete underbridge is being built next to the existing railway in a trench, and will be forced through the soil underneath it using jacks, leaving the railway undisturbed. Previously HS2 was planned to be elevated here, but this was changed to running below ground level to reduce impact on local residents. Then HS2 needs to cross another railway, the Lichfield to Burton line, and the A38 road, right next to each other. Here HS2 was also planned to be elevated, now below ground. You can see the rows of piles that have been drilled into the soil forming walls. A trench will be excavated between them. Then HS2 passes next to Fradley Park, a large industrial estate on a former airfield. Here is where the main line should continue north towards Crewe, if the delayed Phase 2A happens. Right now the line is being built curving to the left, towards its temporary end, joining the West Coast main line at Handsacre, here. For the time being this will be where HS2 ends. Phase 2A construction has been delayed by several years to save cost, but with the whole project being controversial, many would like to see it go no further. I will look at other sections of HS2 in future, as well as doing progress updates on bits I've already looked at, so if you want to see those then please do subscribe. If you're still watching then please do click the buttons that show me and YouTube that this video was alright. That is always appreciated. I've been Martina, and thank you for looking at things with me.